And today we'll be learning what a clinometer is,
How to build a clinometer.
and how to use a clinometer. First, what is a clinometer? What is a clinometer? A clinometer is an instrument used for measuring angles of slope and an elevation of an object. Clinometers measure both inclines and declines using two different units of measurement, degrees and percentage points. One of the most common applications for a clinometer is doing with measuring the angles that they relate to the slope of natural formations or buildings. First, take a straw and a protractor and cut the straw to fit perfectly on top of the protractor, with none hanging off each edge. Alright, that should be perfect. Next, what you want to do is take your tape and tape the straw to the top, not to the side, slightly to the very top. Next, what you want to do is tie a knot on a piece of string after you thread the string through the hole in the top of the protractor. You can see there. Next, what you want to do is tie a weight to the end of the other half of the string. And after you have tied that weight, you've officially created a clinometer or a clinometer, either one. Now we will use the clinometer on a flagpole to tell how tall it is.
First, find the distance between you and the object you're measuring using a tape measure. Next, find how tall your eye height is from the ground.
Alright, so now that we've done all our measurements that are necessary, it is time to do the math to actually figure out what the height of the flagpole is. So I have a diagram drawn here just to make things easier on us. So let's start with H. Alright, so H is the height of the flagpole and is what we're actually trying to find here. So that, we don't know that, it's a question mark. D, so D is the distance from the flagpole to me, and that was 22.1 feet. Yeah, okay. And now E. E is the measurement from the ground to my eyesight, which was 5.3 feet. And then that's our angle. It's 47 degrees. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so now for the actual formula. So the formula to find the height of the flagpole is tan degree, which is our degree of our angle here, which is equals H, which is our height, over D, which is our distance right here. So let's plug in some numbers that we already know. Alright, so tan, that's our degree, which is 47. And then H, which we still don't know, so I'm just gonna put H over distance, which we know that's 22.1 feet. So That's the formula. So then we can put that into our calculator. Alright, so after putting some numbers into our calculator here, I got that tan 47 is equal to 1.072. And so that will end up equaling height over distance 22.1. And in order to find the height from there, you're going to take our number 1.072, which is this, times our distance, which is 22.1. And then you're going to get 23.7, which is our height. So if you want, you can check this. So after you get this number right here, 23.7, there's one last thing you got to do, and that is adding your eyesight height to the number. So 23 plus 5.3, which equals just at 29. And then you are done, and your height is 29 feet. The height of the flagpole is 29 feet. And that's how you do the math for a clinometer. Thank you for watching our video about how to use a clinometer.
And we hope you'll use it in the real world sometime.